Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install the MEXC Exchange app on your Mac in just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do that by clicking on the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space on your keyboard, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to MEXC.com. That's the official website of MEXC Exchange. Always double-check the URL to make sure you're on the right site to keep your trading account secure. Next, at the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar, then select Add to Dock. A small pop-up will appear, allowing you to rename the shortcut if you want. I'll just leave it as MEXC Exchange. After that, click Add. You'll now see the MEXC icon appear in your dock. Here's the cool part. When you click the MEXC icon, it opens in a standalone app-like window, completely separate from Safari. You can close Safari, and MEXC will still stay open, just like a native Mac app. And that's it. You've successfully installed MEXC Exchange on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.